our program, all the faculty members who are teaching and supervising research are PhDs, and most of them have the degrees from foreign universities. Uh, all the faculty members, they have expertise in almost all the subfields of political science, uh, which include comparative politics, political theory, gender politics, Pakistan politics, and so on and so forth. Uh, then, in our university, there is no bureaucratic culture. All the faculty members have their student hours during which they are always present in their offices. And if you're studying here, uh, you can easily meet the faculty members during those hours to discuss your issues and problems. And even if you want to meet them outside their office hours, you just have to take appointment by email, and the faculty members are quite responsive. They do respond to the emails of the students. Even the head of the department is available during the office hours, and you can easily meet the head of the department whenever you want. Um, I have been evaluating the thesis of the students of different universities, and on the basis of my experience with these universities, I can say that our program is the best in terms of the educational standards and research quality, because the educational standards that I have observed and the research that I have examined in different universities are far below than ours. And lastly, if you want to enjoy academic freedom and you believe in academic integrity, you should join our program. Thank you very much.
There is a common belief that the degree in political science helped to become a politician. Well, you are not wrong, but it's not the complete truth. Uh, it may help you to hold a seat in parliament, but it also offers you a wide range of other opportunities when it comes to a career options, as it would enable you to understand and study the fundamental problems in human society, such as world peace, economic crisis, globalization, international trade, and much more.
If you're looking for an MPhil program that is academically rigorous, if you're not simply looking for a paper diploma, but you want to be stretched intellectually, you want to grow in your research and writing and academic reading skills, then FCE's MPhil program in political science may be for you. Have a look, apply. We look forward to meeting you.